Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video series, we are going to tackle one of the most crucial aspects of job hunting, creating a standout resume. Whether you are a seasoned professional or a fresh graduate, crafting a well-structured and compelling resume is essential for making that first impression. So, let's dive right in.
Before anything in depth, let's understand the importance of a proper resume and what a proper resume means. We are diving into a topic that's absolutely critical for your career success, the importance of a proper resume. Your resume is more than just a document. It's your personal marketing tool that can make or break your job opportunities. Let's explore why having a well-crafted resume is so crucial. First impressions. Your resume is often your first introduction to potential employers. It's the first glimpse they get of your qualifications, skills, and experiences. A well-designed resume not only creates a positive first impression but also piques the employer's interest to learn more about you. Showcasing your value. A proper resume allows you to showcase your value and potential. It's your chance to highlight your relevant skills, achievements, and experiences that directly align with the job you are applying for. This tailored approach communicates that you are a perfect fit for the role. Standing out in the crowd. In today's competitive job market, recruiters receive numerous applications for a single position. Your resume needs to stand out from the crowd and capture their attention. A professionally crafted resume helps you rise above the noise and get noticed. Demonstrating professionalism. A well-organized and error-free resume reflects your professionalism and attention to detail. It shows that you take your job application seriously and that you're dedicated to presenting your best self to potential employers. Passing the screening stage. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter through resumes before they even reach a human recruiter. A proper resume with relevant keywords and clear formatting increases your chances of passing the initial screening and progressing to the next stages. Confidence booster. Having a proper resume can boost your confidence during interviews. Knowing your resume effectively highlights your skills and accomplishments, you'll approach interviews with more self-assurance. Career advancement. A well-maintained resume is still valuable even if you're not actively job hunting. It's a record of your career achievements and can be a powerful tool when seeking promotions, new opportunities within your current company, or networking with industry professionals. In conclusion, your resume is your personal brand ambassador in the job market. It's your chance to shine, make a solid first impression, and demonstrate your unique value. Investing time and effort into creating a proper resume is an investment in your career success.
Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more career insights. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, remember that your resume is your ticket to unlocking countless opportunities.